Hello and welcome to my tutorial on estimation. So estimation is really important in day-to-day life, even when making purchases of any sort, or guessing how many people are in a class, or guessing how many people are at a party. Estimation happens all the time. Estimation in math can often be a step-by-step process as well, though. It's not just a complete guess in the dark. It is a educated guess, a guess based off of evidence, based off of things we already know. So we already know how to do all three of these questions, no problem. I already showed you in other tutorials. However, estimation can make getting these answers faster, or at least getting a close answer. We know that it's close, but we don't necessarily know if it's the right answer. So let's try the first one here. So the first one, what we're going to do is we're going to round up the first number to the nearest. So there's only one number at the beginning and the rest are zeros. So if we have a bigger number, so actually let me make this one a little bit bigger as well. 4, 7, 8, 2, 6. Okay. 3, whatever. Doesn't really matter. So estimation is all about changing the numbers. So the first number here, rounded up, 29, rounded up is 30. Second number, rounded up, is 60. Or rounded down, sorry. So the way to round is really important. Basically, if your number is 1, 2, 3, 4, you round down. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you round up. Okay? So I'm looking at the second number here, and it's on this side. So I round up. Okay? So I rounded up to 30. And on the other side, it was 1, so it was a small number, it's below 5, and I round down. So 6 times 3 is 18, and I have to remember to keep all the zeros that I left there. Okay, so that's our estimated number. I'm going to write down the real number. We'll go through it really quick, and just to see how close it is. So 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 2 is 2. 6 times 9 is 54, and you have to remember to keep the 0. 6 times 2 is 12, and keep 2 zeros. Okay, add all that up. 9, 6, 7, 1. Okay, wow, look at how close these two numbers are. So we've got 1, 7, 6, 9, and we've got 1800. That is very close. Their numbers are off by by about 31. So that's really, really close. Okay, looking at our second one here, we're going to try to estimate it really quick. So we could write out 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, or we can just add the zeros at the end. So 3 here. No, we're going to use 4. So 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. And then we have to remember to have all the zeros. So we had 1, 2, 3. So we crossed out 1, 2, 3, 4 digits up top. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits on the bottom. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our number. That's our estimated number. So it's really important to remember that it's an estimate, but it's probably a really close number, as we noticed earlier. Okay, now we're going to show a long division estimate. We're not going to do long division. We're just going to get the estimate. So what we're doing for this is basically the same process. Instead of doing long division how we normally do, we're going to do long division like this. So 3, and we're going to round down the 2. So it's 900 divided by 3. 900 divided by 3, well, it goes into 9 3 times, so it's 300. Okay? Now, looking on this side, we're going to have to do it a little bit more carefully. So how many times does 3 go into 9? 3 times. Okay, we minus that. And then how many times does 3 go into 2? 0 times. How many times does 3 go into 24? 8 times. Okay, so again, relatively close numbers. 300 compared to 308. So estimating is a very important skill, and it's actually makes things simpler. It's actually easier than long division and multi-digit multiplication, but you have to be careful about how you're rounding things along the way. Good luck!